Hey everyone, Robin from Autogeek. Today I'm here with Ilya from Gtechniq, and today we're going to talk about the product Iron and Fallout Remover, otherwise known as W6.
Yes. W6 is a fantastic iron fallout remover. It attacks other ferrous particulates besides iron, and then it also has surfactants to attack oil and water-based grime. So you're definitely getting more in this bottle than just your average iron remover.
Okay, so when would I use this product?
Maintenance washes for a ceramic coated vehicle, a vehicle that you're just looking to decontaminate. So as you know, there's different options for decon. We have a clay bar, which is a physical option, a little bit more aggressive. W6 would be that chemical option that's going to be less aggressive.
So chemical process to remove contaminants from your surfaces. It doesn't need to be on a ceramic coated or any coated vehicle. It can just be a standard daily driver that you can use this on?
Absolutely. I love to use it on wheels. So rotors and brake pads, a lot of metal particulate comes off of there. I'm sure everyone hates scrubbing wheels when that brake dust has really baked into that alloy. This chemical will just make that process less aggressive, will come off a lot easier.
How often would I use this product?
We recommend using it once or twice a year, but in all reality, you can use it whenever you feel it's necessary. So if your surface seems to be dead or not hydrophobic, this chemical will actually pull any of those particulates out of that surface to make it hydrophobic again.
Tell me how to use this product.
Very simply, put a sprayer into the bottle, spray your clear coat, spray your alloy, let it dwell for about 2 to 3 minutes. You will notice a change in color. If you do, that's just the chemical reaction of it eating any ferrous particulate.
So you know when it's working then?
Absolutely.
Great.
We sort of say it bleeds.
Okay, and so once we see that the product is working, what do we do afterwards? Is there a rinse? Do we have to wash?
Simply rinse it off. This process can be done before you wash the vehicle or post-wash, but either way, you will need to rinse the product off.
Okay, so it seems like a pretty straightforward product to use. Can we talk about safety concerns with this?
Absolutely. I mean, being in a well-ventilated area, we recommend wearing gloves anytime you're using any of our chemicals. But besides that, spray on, rinse off.
Great. For more information on this product and others from Gtechniq, you can visit autogeek.com.